Hey guys, Willie and Murfitt here, and in this video we are going to be prepping the cylinder head ready for paint. It's been a long process, and I'm doing the intro after I've done all the work, hence the dirty face. I have cleaned out the cylinder head, and basically it's ready to go. So before I show you the finished article, here's how we got there. Okay, so I'm going to be using the compression tool, and basically what it's going to do is going to go, this end goes onto the valve spring, which is the bigger of the two ends, and the smaller end goes actually onto the end of the valve. I wind the tool in, and then wind it completely in until the valve spring compresses and exposes the collet on top of the valve. Let's take you closer in. So wind that in until I can see the full collet. Take a magnet and I can pull that section of the collet off. Get the other section as well. And then as I loosen the compression tool, the valve will expand, and remove the tool. The top hat comes off, as you can see what's called the top hat. The spring comes off. Put them separately to one side. And then the valve can be pushed through and taken out the other side. So I'm going to do that across the board, and once that's done I can clean the head down, and then I can start lapping the valves back in.
If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up, I'm too great to be landed. Rise up, we're too great to be standing.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better cook those risks, cool, but in my fists we fire starters, one out of a million will reach those heights, always in a feeling that I won't deny, that work, never could toss, look in my eyes, I'm on the rocks, rise. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up, rise up.
And this here is the cleaned up head. I've cleaned up as best as I can using various sort of sanding discs and sort of wire brushes. I flip it up. You can see I've cleaned out each of the individual valve gaps effectively. I've cleaned out each of the grooves in the head as well for the oil and water feeds. And also if I flip it around to the back, it's quite heavy one-handed. I've also polished out the inlet valves. So the idea there is that the smoother these gates are, the easier the air will flow through into the head. So that is pretty much it. I need to try and give this a real deep clean, but unfortunately I'm completely out of engine cleaner or engine degreaser. So I'm going to try and see if I can find somewhere that I can use their facilities and clean this up, ready for paint. But basically, once I get all this gunk out of it, and obviously where I've done a lot of sanding, it's got a lot of gunk inside the head, I can then just mask it up, paint it, and replace all the valves, or get these valves back in the car, and that is that part of the job complete. So it's just been a quick one tonight, just a bit of an update to see how we're getting on. It's pretty late out, so I'm going to call it a day. Hopefully in the next video we'll have this head cleaned, painted, and then rebuilt as well. Although I have broken my tool, that should be straight. So yeah, clean, painted, and hopefully back together. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, as always, please hit that thumbs up button, comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content. That's it from me, and I will see you next time. Bye.